Junie, what are you driving this time? Last time you were in the fire truck. What's this one?
It's a car.
What kind of car is it?
It's a new car.
It's a police car.
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys are going to enforce the laws of the shopping cart today. Ready, Athena? Let's go. Who's driving today? Who's driving today? Girls back, so happy. It's Sunday. I was sad all day today, so just waiting for these girls to come. Now they're here, and I can be happy again. Let's go, girls. Athena, your hair grew. Got longer hair there, girlie. Let's go. Let's go. Go get our nutrition for the week. We already have some food, but we need more. Alrighty. We need more dishwashing soap. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so gonna get some Pedialyte. Get some Pedialyte.
This one's you. Tina.
These, did you guys grow? June, did you grow?
Yeah.
Look at your pretty little earrings. I like them. Aw.
Tina.
Oh, careful, Dina. Don't hit your face on the steering wheel. That's no fun. Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Of course she is.
They put the head on the wheel.
That's right. We put the head on the wheel.
Okay, good.
Let's see. Let's see. What do we got here?
Okay, my daddy.
What's that, Junie? What do we got going on here? Yeah? I'm not seeing what I need. What do we got here? Sorry if we're in the way.
I think it's sitting in the one wheel.
Are you spinning the wheel?
Yeah.
Good job. Good job.
Yeah, I'm spinning the wheel.
Okay. Oh, Athena. Hi. I missed you. I missed you.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah. My little girl. So 3 and 8 months. Yeah, I realized that was live. I was like, oh, what's this? I try not to film people. Bop, bop, bop. Gonna get some fish oil gummies. Oh, Athena, that's new. You can start grabbing things off the shelf. Okay, we've got water.
Athena.
Athena, that's right. Huh? Well, we're not getting candy, girlie. We need some of this. We need some dish soap. We didn't get this. That's right. Big one. Wow, Athena. You're like really reaching for things these days, eh? Every week. It's interesting to go a week on and then a week off because they develop and they, next thing you know, they're doing things like, oh, that's new. That's the fun part about parenting, honestly. Hi, Athena. Wow, you can look at you turning around. Hmm? Oh, I missed you too. Careful, don't hit your head there, girly. Alright, we're gonna go get some fruits, we're gonna get some vegetables. Good on eggs. What else do we need? We probably need some bread. Get a few bags of. Are you guys fighting like sisters? Oh, you want to touch the pole? Look, see, it's a shiny pole. Wow, crazy, huh? Whoa. She's just figuring out that she can reach out and touch things. So Daddy's got to be more careful. Yeah, I see you, Athena. Okay. You want a balloon?
Yeah.
Where's the balloon?
Right here.
Oh, actually, we can get that. That's kind of fun. There's some balloons. That'll actually be fun.
I'm going to blow the balloon.
We just have to keep those away from Athena, okay? Because it's a choking hazard. Did you hear me, June? Sorry about that. Did you hear me, Junie?
Yeah.
You can't give those to Athena, okay?
Okay.
Okay? Okay. How's everyone doing on this Sunday night? I just feel a little down this morning, but now I'm not. Now I'm happy. Actually, it's harder for me to do much content when the girls aren't here because I'm just not as happy. And you gotta be happy to make content. Still have meat. Have eggs. We need some yogurt. Some yogurt, Junie? We're gonna get some kefir and some yogurt.
And some balloons.
Yeah, you do have balloons. There's 150 of those little things in there.
I'm going to blow these balloons.
Yeah, we're gonna see if I regret buying those. We'll see. Alright. Gonna get some kefir. And then probably some raspberry. Huh?
I'm doing the one wheel.
Athena, you're just like... You were just... Athena, people have been telling me are you guys...
Athena's touching me.
She's trying to tickle you. She's trying to tickle you. She's trying to adjust your neck like Daddy does.
Oh, holding my earrings.
Oh, that's what she wants. She wants to hold your earrings. Yeah, well, I don't blame her. They're kind of cute. Mommy did a good job on those earrings. Now we're going to take them off if we go to a pool party so they don't lose them this time. All right, let's get some Swiss cheese. Oh, we need bread. Oh, let's go, girlies. Alrighty then. We are gonna get some roast beef, salami. What? Careful, Junie. Junie, careful, okay?
She's not going to touch my wheel.
She's trying to touch your hair?
Yeah.
Okay, well just say, Athena, I don't want your hair to touch my hair. Just make sure she doesn't hit her face, okay? Alright, now we're gonna get some salami. The good stuff. Huh? Tell me about it, Athena. Tell me, what are you trying to express? Hmm? You want to see how much? Get this? This what you want? All right, Athena. These girls, they're growing up. They're gonna be fighting in no time, like siblings. Oh, did you see that?
Yeah.
Daddy ran into the wall. Oopsies. Can you say oops? Oops. Wow, yeah, touch the silver thingy. We're gonna have to wash our hands when we get home. Huh? Athena. Athena.
Athena's going to touch my wheel.
She's gonna touch your hair?
No?
You don't like people touching your hair, I know that. Everyone knows that, June. Nobody like.
Sorry.
No, you're good, man. Don't worry.
The full car load, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, kids.
Say hi, girls. Thank you. Where is bread? This way. Bread. Oh. You guys are running into things today, Junie. Yeah, I'm running into things.
I want to my friend.
Huh? Thinking maybe we should get some cereal for you and me, Junie. Should we get some? Let's get some good stuff, shall we? Let's get some granola, the good stuff. Then we'll get bread. Then we got to get some milk. What else should we get? Get the good old organic stuff, best you can. Dina, what are you guys doing there? Well, remember I said we can't give Athena those balloons. Okay. Junie, do you want strawberry or apricot jam?
Apricot.
You want apricot?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Do you like apricot?
Oh, and this one.
No, we're not going to do donuts because we already have cookies from Grandma. We still have Grandma's cookies. Yeah, we still have Grandma's cookies. That's right. Okay. Now, what kind of bread are we going to do today? Where's the good stuff at?
I want to buy some strawberries.
You want to buy what?
I think like this.
Strawberries? Those are Pop-Tarts or something. Yeah, you have enough sugar in your life, okay? I'll get you some real strawberries with the natural kind of sugar. Okay, now we need to get some milk. Then we get, huh? Hey, Junie, watch. Junie, you're driving.
I see a ball.
See a ball? It's because we're in the pet aisle. June, do you want a pet?
Mommy.
Huh?
Yeah.
You want a pet?
Yeah.
Do you want a lizard?
No.
Do you know what a lizard is?
No.
Do you want a dinosaur?
No.
No? Why not?
But
What's that?
I still have Peppa.
You have Peppa Pig?
Yeah.
Is Peppa Pig your pet?
Yeah.
It is? Or she is? Sorry. Gotta give her her proper pronoun. Alright, let me get some almond breeze. Because I don't drink regular milk, and I haven't since I was about 20. Yeah, hi Athena. Unless it's in my coffee, of course. Oh, I gotta give you a big kiss. You are just too damn cute. Well, may have not done everything right in my life, but I made some beautiful children. How you doing, man? You know, getting the food for the week. All right, let's go, girls. Let's go get some. Let's go get some fruits and veggies, eh? What are you looking at there, Athena? What are you looking at there? Yeah, I already got you some balloons. June, do you want a turtle?
Yeah.
Do you know what a turtle is?
No.
You don't know what a turtle is?
Yeah.
Do you want a bearded dragon?
No.
Do you want a puppy?
No.
No? You don't want a puppy?
No.
Okay, that's good, because you're not going to get one. All right. get some bananas. What kind of fruit do you want? What kind of fruit? You want pineapple? You want pineapple? No? You don't want pineapple? You want some kiwis? Alright, I'll get you some kiwis. Hold on, Daddy's gonna find a bag for them, okay? Where are these bags? They're always hiding. So I go over here. I know, I'm getting you some kiwis. I'm getting you kiwis. What do you think of that? Huh? I know, I'm getting them for you, okay? How many you want? You're not quite ripe, so I'll get like 5 kiwis. That sounds about right. We already have avocado. We have. You want apples, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You want the big one. You want the big red ones, I believe, right?
I want the big red one.
You want the big red ones?
Yeah.
Okay.
Big.
We get a bunch of big red ones, okay?
Athena.
If she can grab an apple, I'm not even going to be mad. I'm going to be impressed. Here, let's see if she can grab one. If she can grab it, she can keep it. Can you do it, Athena? Can you do it?
Athena can get it.
Can she grab an apple? Let's see. Come on, Athena. I believe in you. You can do it. Get it. Use that grip strength.
Now you can do it.
Dropped an apple.
I did it.
Did she do it?
Yeah.
Did she pick it up?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Not yet.
Let's wait, Mommy.
Here. Can you do it, Athena?
You did it, Athena? She's doing it. Athena, do it.
All right, Junie. What else should we get?
I got balloons.
You got balloons. We're gonna get. You want some? You want some pears?
Yeah.
You want some pears?
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta go get another bag. Okay. I will get a bag. You guys stay right there. And over there. Hi, Junie. I see you. Did you get it? Oh, Athena, you got it. Good job.
Athena got it.
June, don't let her put her mouth on it, okay? Because it's not clean.
Ah!
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
It's a good thing it's a really hard apple. All right. Athena, you proved that you can open an apple. Or pick up an apple, so good job.
Good job.
Let's go this way. Oh, can you? Oh! Wow, you are strong. We're going to put that one back, though. Let's go. Good job, my girlie. That is impressive. We're going to get some more raspberries. Because Athena loves those.
And some grapes.
You want some grapes?
Yeah.
What color? Purple, green, or red?
Red.
You want red grapes? That's right, Athena. You tell them. Want some strawberries, Ginny?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Strawberry.
These ones are pretty red. I don't know if I trust them. They might be
It's red.
genetically modified.
Red.
The ones I used to grow were never that red. Yeah?
Red.
That's right. They were never that red. Oh, wow.
It's red.
What's that?
It's not green.
We're going to get some pistachios. So 5 ounces.
Pistachio?
Yeah. You like pistachios? Daddy loves pistachios. We're gonna get a lot of pistachios. Can you say that word again?
I love this one.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Well, it's the same thing. It's just pistachios. Okay?
Daddy wants Athena.
Yeah. Do you want a mandarin, Ginny?
Yeah.
Right here? You want this?
Yeah.
You know what a mandarin is?
Yeah.
This? You want that?
Yeah.
Okay. There. Okay. You wanted pears.
Athena wants pears.
Athena wants pears?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's get some pears. We'll get 2 pears. Huh? Pears? I miss you, Athena. How are you? Are you still drooling? Of course you are. Oh, you want me to carry you? I'll carry you soon. Oh, what happened, Athena? What happened? What's that? Okay, we're gonna get some vegetables now. We're gonna get some cauliflower and some kale. And then
Watermelon.
You want some watermelon?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You want some carrots, Ginny?
Yeah.
Do you like
carrots?
carrots?
Have some pumpkin.
What? We're gonna get green beans. Excuse me.
I need the pumpkin.
So, you know those pumpkins we got last time?
Yeah.
They were rotten already. Those pumpkins that we carved last Sunday made it 2 days before they were moldy and half flat. If you would believe it. Do you like cauliflower?
Yeah, cauliflower.
You want some cauliflower? Good job. You're saying all these big words. Cauliflower. 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 Yeah, what else? What's that?
I want some carrots.
You want some carrots?
Yeah.
But I thought you said you didn't want carrots. Let's get some carrots, okay? Do you want big carrots?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Big carrots, all right. Let's get some big carrots. These girls. Huh? How many carrots do you want, Jimmy?
5.
You want 5 carrots? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you going to eat that, though? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get 5 carrots, okay? 5 carrots. Do you want to hold the carrot?
Yeah. I want to eat it.
But not yet. We have to wash it, okay? Remember how we explained money? Sorry. We have to pay for it first, and then we have to wash it.
Wash it?
Yeah, that's right. June, do you want any other vegetables?
Yeah.
What do you want? Junie, do you want... June, are you paying attention?
It's cold.
Okay, here.
It's so cold.
Sorry, it is cold. It's because it was refrigerated to keep it fresh. What other vegetable do you want? Do you want what do you want?
I want peppers.
Those are spicy.
So spicy.
Those are spicy. You don't like spicy.
This one?
This one?
Yeah.
Those are all spicy.
Spicy.
This is all spicy. These, not spicy. Not spicy. You want these ones?
This one is good.
These ones are not spicy. You want green, red, orange, or yellow? What do you want?
Red.
You want red?
Yeah.
How many?
1.
You think just one?
Yeah.
How about we get 2?
2?
2?
Yeah.
Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Of course.
Not
What's that? Do you want them all? Do you want one of each color? What? You want 2 red ones? Oh, it's almost like you pretending like that was your own idea. Good job. 1, 2. See? Red pepper.
I see it.
Those are not spicy, June. Those are not spicy. That's right. Those are all spicy. These ones are very spicy. Those are habaneros. Your mommy likes those ones.
Mommy, Dad.
Yeah, these ones spicy. Yeah.
I love red.
You love red?
Yeah.
What's your favorite color, Junie?
Yeah, pink.
Your favorite color is pink?
Yeah.
I thought it was blue.
No.
Did you change your mind?
Look, I got blue in my pants.
Yeah. So is your favorite color pink now?
I see blue the bill.
I know, that is a blue balloon. All right. I think we got everything we need. I think. Yes, I think so. That's right. What do you think? What do you think, Athena? What do you think, Athena? All right. I can always just come. Hey there. I can always just come back here when Sierra is here. Whoa. Our good old nanny. Up, 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 up. All right. Let's go. We're gonna go right here. Oh.
I want bubbles.
You want bubbles? No, you don't want bubble gum, okay?
Mommy, go. No.
All right. All right, well, we're going to get off here because I need to unbag these groceries. But I'm so happy to see my girls. So Daddy have a kiss on the cheek.
Yeah.
Right here. Go wipe it off. All right.
I love these.
See y'all later. So happy.